In this clip, I'll explain how to buy shares of Vantage Corp using a broker example. Vantage Corp is listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker VNTG. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. You will need a broker to trade. I use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document. You will also need to add funds before buying. Open the platform search and enter the ticker VNTG to locate Vantage Corp. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing so you match the correct share class. On the asset page, you can read basic company information and view the price chart. Confirm the company name and NASDAQ ticker to ensure this is the correct stock. To invest, choose the buy option, enter the amount you want to spend, and check the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will ask you to add money before it confirms the trade. Once completed, your Vantage Corp position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description below.